Welcome back, guys. This is another video on how to make money online for free. Now, if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you a couple of websites and new methods to make money online. These methods are what we can do it on our free times without spending any money, and we can make a passive income from it. Again, everything that you do online, it won't happen in overnight. You keep doing it until one thing click, then you can build on it and you can make money online. I don't expect anything from you guys other than your love and support. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and support me so I will make a video like this every single day. Now here we're going to talk about first website. Is called Digistore24, which is an affiliate website like clipchamp. Now what you can do here, you can join as an affiliate and you can promote a product and get paid for that. Simple as enough. Just so you don't have to pay anything, you don't have to buy anything. Just go there and click this one called register now. I already create my account, so if I click register now, you already go to my dashboard, so I don't want to do that. So click the register now button, put all the details and sign up for free account. So after you sign up for free account, it will look like this. You're going to click the marketplace, and these are the different category of the product that you can promote. There are certain type of niche that tend to sell every single day. So one of them is fitness and health. Now if you click that, there are various of product here to promote and you can get paid. For example, I want to promote this one. Is called Ultimate Keto Plan. So if you are on a keto diet, you need to have something to plan it, everything. So this is an entire printout sheet. Remember this is an online product, not first staging or nothing. So you can promote this product worldwide. It's a PDF downloader and they have every plan. So you can download it, record it, and there's a guidance, everything here. So what you can do, if you promote this product, all you have to do is send a traffic to this affiliate link. And you can make 38 euros, somewhere around $40 per product, guys. Remember this, $40 for one product. Imagine that if you're able to sell 10 of this each day, then you can make $400 for free. And imagine that if you can sell it every single day. Now the problem with this type of method is giving traffic. Now here, remember this is the product, this is the one link. If you promote once, it's not going to happen. You're going to promote over and over and over again, and you're going to bring lots of traffic. If you bring 100 people, 10 people click it, 1 people buy it. So imagine that if you want to make a 10 sales per day, you need to bring at least more than 1,000 traffics every single day, and you need to promote at various places. So in this video, we can take a look at one place where you can promote it for free, which is an alternative to YouTube, and you can promote on video format. Okay, if you want to watch this entire tutorial, show your support by liking this video, guys. Now you join Digistore24, you find your product, you find your affiliate link. Now you want to promote it. How are you going to do that? First thing what you do, go to YouTube. We are not publishing anything on YouTube. We are going to YouTube to find a content. So this is the product which I'm going to promote. So remember this, all of the product on Digistore, some kind of video is already in YouTube. So what you're going to do, you type your keywords here. So my one is keto diet. What you're going to do, you're going to filter that to this a magical word. So go to the top page, click filter, and you're going to click Creative Commons. What happens is they're going to bring all the Creative Commons videos. These videos that you can use it, download it, you can re-edit it, you can upload it to your own YouTube channels or different platforms without getting any copyright claim. So we find our contents for free now. Now I'm going to show you a website where you're going to promote it and you're going to get paid. This is the website I'm talking about. It's called Odysee.com. It used to be a Libre.com. In the past, I have an account in Libre. Then this one is used to be this website. Then they Odysee acquired this website. Now it's called Odysee.com. Now what is this? It's an alternative YouTube. It's a decentralized platform to publish a video. When you create an account with it and you publish a video, you can also earn a decentralized these tokens on here. You can stake these tokens on your videos, and you can, again, when people watch the videos, you get paid for that. Also, you can watch videos and get paid for that. For example, if you go to the reward section, you can see you watch videos every single day and you can climb around these points. Also, if you have a lucky draws, you can get big points like that. Also, whenever people watch your videos, they can give points for your video. Now, you can gather these points, rewards, then you can withdraw it. So if you click a payout section, I can show you that. Now here you can see I didn't get any payout at the moment, but this is a simple idea. I already made a video on this Audacity.com way back. I can link back to it. You can go and check it out. I don't want to go into that now. So what's going to happen is, if you go to your account and you're going to click channels, here you're going to create a different channels. So you can see I already have a couple of different channels. Now I'm going to click new channels. It's entirely focusing on weight loss. Click with new channels. You can upload your banners and image later, but I'm going to call my one weight loss, something like that, right? You can give a description and title. I want to keep this video very short, so I created my channels here. I'm going to go back later. I'm going to re-edit anything. Now, after you create the channels, it will take a little while to conform on their platforms. So leave it that for a couple of seconds. So you're going to now upload the video that you already found it on YouTube. So there's the upload button. Click that and click upload. Now here, when you come to here, you need to select which channels that you want to publish. At the moment, my weight loss channel is at the top, so I'm going to click that one. And you're going to put the name of the video. So you can straight away go back to YouTube and copy and paste the title of the video, which is this one, right? And put it on the title. And you're going to select the file, which you already downloaded it on your computer. This is the file. And you can give a description. So here on the description, you're going to copy and paste the title again and get your keto diet plan now. And whatever your product is, just give a basic introduction. Go to Digistore, copy your affiliate link, which is this is affiliate link. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it on here. You're going to select the thumbnail, okay, or you can take a snapshot from your videos. Just load the video. Okay, select the thumbnail. Now what you do, you can give it tags, and you're going to give some 5 tags. You can give up to 5 tags. Now after you've done that, again, you need to have some type of deposit. Okay, you can select it up to, you can't be 0, so you have to go at 0.01. Now these are the amount that you are paying this website to post your content. Don't worry, you don't have to buy this token, because when you create an account, they will give you some of the token. And when you create an account, then you can watch others' video. You can make around 2 to 3 token like this one. Not 2 to 3 token, not 0.01, actual 2 tokens. Then you can use those to publish the videos. You can put the deposit like 0.01. Okay. Now you're gonna click. The price of the video free. Now what you're going to do, you're going to build a confidence on your channels. So if you add a price to this file, basically the viewers on Libre or Odyssey, they had to pay for it to watch the video. That's how you're going to make money. But in the beginning, don't do that, because nobody's going to pay for it. Build a confidence, build a subscriber rate on your Odyssey, then you can fix a price for it. Now select the free and you're going to click upload. That's it, guys. What you're going to do, you can see the preview and click upload, and you can see your video is uploading at the moment. So this is how you're going to do it, guys. Very simple and easy. You will find your affiliate product on Digistore, and you find your content on YouTube, and you download it, put it on Audacity.com. Now it look like an easy and easy method, but again, it will going to take a while to make money. So how you're going to do that? You're going to keep posting content on Audacity. It's the same thing with the YouTube. Keep posting it. Again, you are not creating any contents. So for you to download creative comment videos and publishing on Audacity is less than 20 minutes work for you guys. If you're able to publish 56 videos every single day, somehow your channels go up and you can make money from it. Again, you can repeat this with Medium, you can repeat with Pinterest, with different other methods. You can put your articles, you can put the videos, lots of ways that you can do it, guys. If you want to know about those ways, let me know in the comment section. I will make that video for you guys. Always subscribe to my channels, like these videos, and see you guys on next video, guys.